There are a few different ways that you can pin apps to the taskbar in Windows 11. The first is to click on the Start button, and you can either choose any of these apps on your Start menu, or go to All to view all of your apps, and then find the app that you want to pin. Right-click on it, hover over More, and then click Pin to Taskbar. You'll see it show up on your taskbar immediately. If you already have an app open on your taskbar but it's not pinned, you can also just right-click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. Now, even if you close the app, it'll stay on your taskbar. You can click and drag these icons to move them around. And if you ever want to remove one, just right-click on it and click Unpin from Taskbar, and it'll disappear immediately. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.